Hello, kindergartners. All right, for our assessment, our test for Chapter 5, you're going to need a pencil, a blank piece of paper, a blue crayon, and a red crayon. So go get your supplies, put my video on pause, and then unpause when you're ready to go. Okay, so we are going to look at this first picture. We have some cute little puppies up here. The question reads, how many puppies are sitting? Write the number, and how many puppies are being added to the group? Write the number. So go ahead and do that. You can pause my video while you finish, and then meet me at number 2. Number 2 reads, Sonia put 1, 2, 3, 4 red counters in the 10 frame. Then she put 1, 2, 3 yellow counters in the 10 frame. Choose all the ways that show the counters being put together. So we have 4 red plus 3 yellow. Which one shows 4 red plus 3 yellow? You can color in the little dot or circle the problem. Either way works. Number 3. How many of each color cube is being added? Trace the numbers and symbols. Write the number that shows how many cubes in all. So how many orange cubes? Say it to your family, whoever is helping you with the test, and trace the number. Plus, how many green cubes equals, write how many cubes all together. Then meet us on the next page. Okay, at the top, it reads Annabelle has 2 red cubes. Oh, so you can draw 2 circles or 2 squares for your cubes. Annabelle has 2 red cubes. So I would even take your red crayon and color them red. Plus, she has 2 yellow cubes. Oh, so now with your crayons, go ahead and take out a yellow, because Annabelle has 2 yellow cubes also. So again, if you have a hard time making squares, you can make circles. Or if you have lots of cubes, you can use counters, you can use your cubes. So Annabelle has 2 red cubes plus 2 yellow cubes equal, write the number, how many cubes all together. All right, this one we've done quite a bit where we had to add to make 10, right? So it says, look at the cube train. How many red cubes do you see? So count the red cubes and write the number. Plus, how many more cubes do you need to make to equal 10 cubes altogether? So what are you making? 10 cubes. You have 7. How many more do you have to make so that you have 10? Write the number of cubes that you made. Down here, number 6. Write and trace the numbers to complete the addition sentence. There were 3 airplanes. 2 more airplanes flew to meet them, so that there were 5 airplanes altogether. Go ahead and read your addition sentence and write in the missing number. I'll say it again. There were 3 airplanes on the ground. 2 more flew in to join them. There were 5 airplanes altogether. Write the numbers and trace the symbols to complete the addition sentence. There were 4 ants, plus how many more ants joined them to equal 6 ants altogether? Pause and finish this problem. Meet us here. Nora has 1 green crayon. So I want you to write a 1 right here. Nora has one green crayon. So that's Nora's. Gary has some red crayons. Together, Gary and Nora have 5 crayons altogether. Draw to show how many red crayons Gary has. Write the number of Gary's crayons. Okay, you can rewind this if you need to listen to that again. That's kind of a tough one. It's a thinker, so make sure you draw your model for Nora's green ones and how many does Gary have, so that together they have 5. All right, this next one, this is where you're going to use your blank piece of paper. First, take your pencil and cross out all of this because we're not going to use that part. What I want you to do is make an equal sign right there. And let's read this. 5 plus 2 equals, and then you will write the number. Let's have this be our red side, and this will be our blue side. And then write it equals after each math sentence. So I'm going to help you with the first one, and then you'll do the other two. So this reads, there are 5 red counters. So you can draw them, or if you have your counters, you can just put them out. So let's draw 5 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red ones, and we'll color them red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, how many blue ones? 2. 1, 2, and you color them blue. This is a lot like the paper we did, where you had to find all the problems and then use the colors to color the flower. So 5 reds plus 2 blues. How many altogether? And write your answer. Go ahead and write your answer right here. Now do the next one. How many red ones? 4. So you make your 4. Plus, how many blue ones? 3. Make your 3. Count them all together and write your answer. Do that for this one as well. Make your 2 red ones plus your 4 blue ones and write how many all together. Pause the video, finish that page, and when you're completed, meet us over here. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do the same thing at the top. So make an equal sign behind each addition sentence because you are going to do the exact same thing. This will be our red side, and here we have our blue side. I'll do the first one with you. How many red ones over here? We'll turn our paper over since it's a new page. 4 red. So we make 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, and I will color them red. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus, how many are blue? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And color these blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals how many altogether? Count them and write how many there were right here. Do that for this problem and this problem. If you don't remember your numbers, look at a number line. Practice, practice, practice. All right, number 11. Number 11 reads, Larry counted out 9 cubes. The cubes are either red or blue. So again, you'll need your red and blue. Color the cubes to show the number of red and blue cubes. Write the numbers to complete the addition sentence. So here we have 9 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get to decide how many you want red, how many you want blue, and then write how many were red and how many were blue. Okay. Number 10, complete the addition sentence to show a number pair for 10. So the way I like to do this one, here's our 10. Go ahead and make 10 circles. So we can make them down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can make them, over here. Pick 2 colors and you color some one color and some another color, just like you did up 9. And then tell me how you made 10. How did you create 10? And I want to see your work, so make sure you draw the picture for me. How many were, maybe you want to use pink and blue. How many were pink? How many were blue? Maybe you want to use black and yellow. How many were black? How many were yellow? You get to decide. When you're done, take pictures of all the pages so that I can correct them and post them on your Google Classroom assignment. Have fun with math.